Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between monopoly and monopolistic competition. Both are important market structures in economics, but they differ significantly in terms of competition, pricing power, product characteristics, and market behavior. Before we begin, let us briefly understand the two concepts. A monopoly is a market structure where a single firm controls the entire market and faces no close competitors. Monopolistic competition is a market structure where many firms compete by offering differentiated products that are similar but not identical. Now, let us explore the major differences between monopoly and monopolistic competition. Number 1. In a monopoly, there is only one firm in an entire industry, whereas in monopolistic competition, there are many firms operating in the market. Number 2. A monopoly produces a unique product with no close substitutes, whereas monopolistic competition offers differentiated products with close substitutes available. Number 3. Monopoly markets have very high barriers to entry, whereas monopolistic competition has relatively low barriers, allowing new firms to enter easily. Number 4. A monopolist has substantial control over price and acts as a price maker, whereas firms in monopolistic competition have limited control over pricing. Number 5. The demand curve in a monopoly is downward sloping due to the absence of competition, whereas in monopolistic competition the demand curve is also downward sloping but more elastic because of many substitutes. Number 6. Monopoly provides little or no product variety, whereas monopolistic competition offers a wide variety of differentiated products. Number 7. There is no direct competition in a monopoly market, whereas monopolistic competition involves active competition among numerous firms. Number 8. Entry and exit are highly restricted in monopoly markets, whereas firms can freely enter and leave monopolistically competitive markets. Number 9. In the long run, a monopoly can maintain prices above average cost and earn abnormal profits, whereas firms in monopolistic competition usually earn only normal profits. Number 10. Prices in a monopoly are determined mainly by the monopolist's output and pricing decisions, whereas prices in monopolistic competition are influenced by market demand and competitive pressures. Number 11. A monopolist can earn supernormal profits even in the long run, whereas firms in monopolistic competition generally earn normal profits in the long run. Number 12. Monopoly markets are often allocatively inefficient because prices exceed marginal cost, whereas monopolistic competition tends to be more allocatively efficient. Number 13. A monopolist usually has little need for advertising because there are no competitors, whereas firms in monopolistic competition spend heavily on advertising and branding. Number 14. Monopoly firms possess significant market power, whereas firms in monopolistic competition have comparatively less market power. Number 15. Consumer choice is limited in a monopoly because only one seller exists, whereas consumers enjoy a wide range of choices in monopolistic competition. Number 16. Monopolies may have less incentive to innovate due to lack of competition, whereas firms in monopolistic competition continuously innovate and improve products to attract customers. To summarize, monopoly is characterized by a single seller, strong market power, and high barriers to entry, while monopolistic competition consists of many sellers offering differentiated products and competing actively for customers. Understanding these differences helps us analyze how markets function and how businesses make pricing and production decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.